Introducing the 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan RL 2.0tdi M6F 150HP 5-door in sleek grey. Packed with top-of-the-line features like satellite navigation, ambient lighting and collision avoidance braking, this SUV offers both style and safety. With a 2-litre diesel engine, manual transmission and luxurious interior trim, every drive is a pleasure. Rest assured with ABS, lane departure warning and a powertrain warranty. Our Tiguan has undergone a full health and safety check, manufacturer specified servicing, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us or visit laharts.ie for more information today.